Hi everyone. This video will guide you on how to add or remove Bluetooth icon from taskbar in Windows 11. The classic Bluetooth is still available in modern smartphones and high-end laptops. Using this technology, you can connect to other computers, smartphones, and Bluetooth-enabled devices. When Bluetooth is enabled on your device, it appears on the taskbar corner, system tray, by default. If Bluetooth is turned off or disabled, you will not see its icon on the taskbar or corner overflow. If Bluetooth is enabled on your Windows 11 PC and its icon still does not appear on the taskbar notification area, or you want to remove it for some reason, this Garip Windows video will guide you. How to remove Bluetooth icon from taskbar in Windows 11 using taskbar. Due to some reason, if you want to remove the Bluetooth icon from Windows 11 taskbar, first, click on the Bluetooth notification icon on the taskbar or corner overflow. Then, select Remove Icon in the pop-up menu. That's it. Bluetooth icon will no more appear on your Windows 11 taskbar notification or corner overflow. How to add Bluetooth notification icon on Windows 11 taskbar. To add Bluetooth notification icon on Windows 11 taskbar, first, open Windows Settings by hitting Windows plus I keys on the keyboard. Then, click on Bluetooth and Devices on the left sidebar of the Settings window. After that, click the Devices tile on the right side pane. Next, click on More Bluetooth Settings under the Related Settings section. When you're done, the Bluetooth Settings window will appear. Select the Options tab. Then, check Show the Bluetooth icon in the Notification Area option to show Bluetooth notification icon. Click Apply. Click OK. Goodbye. See you in the next video.